my God, it's absolutely fab. I've just moved home from London and I'm like, where would you rather be on a day like today? It's absolutely stunning. We're so lucky to have it. Yeah.
And you're here with your Aperol spritz and everything?
We were going to get a coffee, but we were like, there's nothing else for today, only our Aperol.
It's really good. So in Perth, it's actually colder than it is here in Ireland. So we're going to go for a dip and have a swim in this lovely county of yours. So, yeah.
Were you surprised at how warm the weather was here in Ireland?
Definitely, I did not pack for this weather. I did pack for a bit of a cooler trip, but it's ended up such a warm few days that we're here. So incredible.
What do you think of the surf?
It's really good. Yeah, surf at home is pretty good. Just actually last weekend I was in Bali and this is better. So it's even better than Indonesian surf at the moment. So might be having to move to Ireland, to be honest. Yeah.
And it's absolutely beautiful to see the waves brushing. You see the surfers out at the sea today, and it's forecast for the next 2 or 3 days. So I think people got to make the most of it while they can. It's warmer in Spain today, I think, and so long may it last.
It's incredible. It's incredible to get this great weather. Warmer in Spanish Point than Spain. That's the way we like to have it.